Welcome to our video on Tesla Model Y battery replacement cost. If you own a Tesla Model Y or are considering purchasing one, this information is important for you to know. The Tesla Model Y's battery pack is a critical component of the vehicle. It provides the power that drives the electric motor and keeps the car moving. But what happens when the battery pack reaches the end of its life? That's where Tesla's battery replacement program comes in. Tesla offers battery replacement services for all of its vehicles, including the Model Y. But how much does it cost? We spoke with a Tesla Model Y owner who recently replaced their battery pack to get an idea of the cost. Tesla Model Y owner: I recently replaced my Model Y's battery pack and the cost was around $7,000. It was expensive, but I knew it was necessary to keep my car running smoothly. The cost of battery replacement can vary depending on a few factors, including the age of the vehicle and the extent of the battery's degradation. It's important to note that Tesla's batteries are designed to last a long time, and most owners won't need to replace their battery pack for many years. In fact, Tesla's warranty for the Model Y's battery pack covers 8 years or 120,000 miles, whichever comes first. So if your battery fails within that time frame, Tesla will replace it free of charge. In conclusion, while the cost of replacing a Tesla Model Y's battery pack may seem high, it's important to remember that these batteries are built to last. With Tesla's warranty and regular maintenance, you can enjoy driving your Model Y for many years to come. Thanks for watching our video on Tesla Model Y battery replacement cost. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.